Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is teacher Fayyazuddin Ahmad bringing you a brief summary of today's grade 4 science period. And today's date is 14th of September 2020. As we completed this lesson, the lesson number 1 cells from chapter 1, today we had a brief revision of all these topics. First, we have revised the definition of a cell, and the basic purpose of the cell is to organize and how all the living things are made up of cells and how cells are alive. Then we discussed about the different parts of animal cells and plant cells. This was a brief revision for the students. So students were able to name the different cell structures of animal cell, and also the students were able to name the cell organelles of plant cell, and they could differentiate between plant cell and animal cell well. And also we revise the cell structures or the cell organelles which are common in both plant and animal cells, and which are only found in plant cell and which are not present in animal cell. And also we discuss something about specialized cells, how cells have different structures and different functions. The examples of lung cells, bone cells, and brain cells were demonstrated, and also the different levels of organization was revised from the level of atom to the highest level of organism. All the levels of organization were revised with the students, which they have studied in the previous week. And different parts of microscope were again revised. The students were able to label the parts of microscope with ease. And also the five basic life functions of living things were revised in the form of question and answer, and how the cells are grouped it was also revised with the students in the form of question and answer. The students could understand these concepts well, and they could answer well upon the upon asking them. This is what was for today. Thank you. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum.